in today's video we're gonna talk about how to fix creator account cannot be private on Instagram. So let's get started. Well, after getting the app, and if you have a creator account on Instagram and you want to make it private, so here I'm gonna tap on the profile picture at the bottom right corner. And after that, I'm gonna tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Here, a list of options will appear, and here I'm gonna scroll all the way down. And from who can see your content, here we have account privacy. So I'm gonna tap on it. And here, if I toggle this on, and then tap on switch to private, as you see here, this will pop up and it says creator accounts cannot be private. So if you want to make your account private, first switch back to a personal account. So here, first we're gonna switch it to a personal account. And now to switch it to a personal account, we're gonna tap on creator tools and controls. After that, we're gonna scroll all the way down. And as you see here, we have switch account type, so tap on it. And here we have switch to personal account, so tap on it. And then confirm. And like that, the account has been switched to a personal account. And now to make your account private, here we're gonna tap on account privacy. And then you can toggle this on and then tap on switch to private, and like that your Instagram account will be a private account. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.